First, we will go to settings, then system. Then we will scroll down a little bit and see this option, recovery. Here is the option, reset this PC. You have to click on reset PC first, and then you have the choice. If you want to install the fresh Windows from the cloud without any file, then you have to select remove everything. And here it is, the option. You can see here the cloud download and reinstall the Windows with deleting each and every single file. If you do this, you will get a fresh Windows in your PC without doing anything or any hard works. Hope you liked the video and hope you enjoyed it and hope it will be useful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe.